Here we have a 2017 Ram Sport, one owner, clean Carfax, 17,000 miles, in silver, still covered under the remainder of the manufacturer's comprehensive and powertrain warranties. Really a sharp truck here. This is the Ram Sport package. Kind of, as I go around this video, show you some of the things that you get different with the Sport package, starting with these smoked lights, as you can see there, with a high intensity headlamp. You also have the integrated fog lights in your lower bumper. You got the monotone grille here with the chrome louvers, nice little Sport accent there also. Also, as you can see, you have the park sense on the front. You see the ultrasonic indicators there in the bumper. So this one has it on front and rear to help keep you from bumping into things. Now on the side here, we also get this nice big, I think it's a 20-inch 5-spoke chrome wheel here on that Sport package. You can see it's scuff-free, really in nice shape. Also, you have a resurfaced rotor and nice thick brake pad. Tires here are probably a little more than half. You know, maybe about 6, 7, 30 seconds there. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. We just want to ensure that the next owner knows as much about the mechanical integrity of the vehicles we sell as we do. Right now, as you can see, I'm looking in at the passenger side. You can see it does have a full power passenger seat. We got leather covered interior, charcoal gray with offset white stitching. Got 2 bucket seats, full console that flows in between. Really some nice attractive looks here. Some brushed aluminum that runs through the center and on the door panels here. Now this is the crew cab. As I open up the back, you can see how nice and big and spacious your rear seat area is. Plenty of leg, hip, and shoulder room. Also, you can see we do have the factory slush mats on the front and rear of this truck as well. In the back there, you can see there is some buttons for your 12-volt power supply and some of your climate control buttons. You do have your air ducts there for your heat and AC as well. Now, just looking at the back, a standard box here, box size on the back for the Ram. Also, you can see the matching Goodyear Wrangler's about the same 6, 7, 30 seconds. Scuff-free alloy wheel there. Also got a soft tonneau cover here on the box. You can see we got a rear sliding window power there also. And there you can see your ultrasound sensors on the rear bumper as well. Now, of course, they also give you a backup camera right there, as you can see. And you have your Class 3 tow hitch with your integrated 7-way round 4-way flat trailer wiring. Now, when I drop this tailgate, you can see it is equipped with the factory spray and bed liner from Dodge as well, which is a nice little feature. Continuing around to the driver's side again, tires are matching, about the same 6, 7, 30 seconds as the rest. Scuff-free alloy wheel there also. And then we'll just give you a shot of the interior from the driver's side. You can see very clean, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner did not seem to be a smoker. I don't sense any smoke smell. As we get up here to the driver side, you can see the full power seat on the driver's side, power lumbar as well. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the vehicle, kind of go over some of the options, amenities, let you know what it's like to be behind the wheel. Also want to show you the key here. As you can see, we do have 2 keys for this truck, and it is equipped with the factory remote start, actuated by that button right there. Now, you got your locks, your windows, and your mirrors right here on the left, as you can see. We do have heated mirrors as well, and of course they are fold away, so that's a nice feature. Got power pedals there on the side. Let's go ahead and jump in. I'll start it up. We'll continue the tour. Of course, the HEMI's got a nice run to it. You can see the Sport emblem there that pops up in your display. 17,096 miles. We'll go back here to your headlamps. You got your push button actuation for your fog lights, automatic headlamp control. We got your dimmer slider here for your dash. Got a cargo light button there as well. As you can see on the, we got your intermittent wiper washers here to the left, as well as your turn signals. We got your hands-free cell. This is for your control of your in-vehicle customizable dash. You can see how I'm flipping through your different options there that you have, tripometers and things of that nature. That's all controlled with that. We got your cruise control here. We got your manual selector for any of your 8 different gears up and down here. We got your dial here to shift. And we have your electronic shift on the fly transfer case buttons, low range, high range down here below. Now we got the big 8-inch touch screen here. You can see right now on the radio side, it is equipped with AM, FM, and SIRIUSXM radio. We can also go to your media, where you can play any of your media device, whether you pair it through USB, auxiliary pre-out, or Bluetooth. We'll go to controls. You can see heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, the backup camera, the automatic dimming rearview mirror. Lot of options and amenities there under control. Got your different apps, different customizable apps. You can also select your interior features through that. Got your dual climate control settings here, automatic temperature display. Again, yet another place that you can select your heated, cooled seats or heated steering wheel. We do have your factory equipped nav. Let's just go and show you the map there so you can see it. There's your factory equipped nav. And then of course the far right, you can pair your phone, which we've deleted all the phones out of there. Now down below is where you'll find your manual controls for both your climate and your audio system. Also, we have manual buttons down here below for, again, your heated, cooled seats, your heated steering wheel, traction control, your tow haul, turn your parking lights on and off, all those types of things. Now we have 115 volt standard dual prong outlet right there, which is a nice feature to go along with your 12 volt power supplies. We have yet another 12 volt power supply unit down there. We got 2 large cup holders, and in this big console is where you'll find your connectivity station. There you see yet another 12 volt power supply, auxiliary pre-out USB. So really a lot of nice options. Now there is a button for your power rear sliding window. There are your 3 buttons for your universal home link. And of course there is your moonroof controls. And as you can see, this vehicle does have the factory installed moonroof. Now let's go ahead and pop this hood here. Hood release is right here, right underneath the center steering wheel. Like I say, this is the 5.7 liter HEMI with the MDS technology, multiple displacement system. Will cut you into 4 cylinders on the highway, which really helps with the fuel economy. You can see it's very quiet, very clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Doesn't even have any corrosion on the battery terminals. Very nice, well-maintained machine here by the previous owner. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this vehicle off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. And the next part of this video really, I think, helps differentiate us from a lot of dealers. Not only are we completely upfront and transparent in our pricing, but also in the condition of our vehicles. Now, this is a used vehicle. Some minor imperfections are to be expected, but my job's to go around here and just kind of be your eyes and your ears and show you what I see. Now, on that fender and hood, everything looks nice. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, this is a 1-owner clean Carfax. Shows no sign of any accidents. All the body lines are nice and straight and clean. I haven't even found a chip or a dent here as I continue back this driver's side. So really a nice clean unit. We'll continue back to bedside. Like I say, if I see anything to point out, I'll try to do my best for you guys. Here's a little scuff on the corner of the bumper you can see there. It's the first thing I noticed. I don't know if that's dirt or a little scratch there, but I want to show it to you anyway. Very minor scratch that runs down here. It's been buffed out. You probably won't even be able to pick it up on the video. Got a little scratching, pitting right here at the top of this tailgate. A little bit of scuffing on your end cap protector. Tailgates on trucks, typically people are using them obviously to haul cargo. So you'll get a little bit of consequential damage in the rear. We got a couple little scratches back here on this bumper as well. But yeah, a few little chips and scratches. No real dents there. We'll continue up the passenger side, and that bedside looks nice and straight and clean. Continue up the doors section here. Just trying to catch in the light any ding or dent or scrape, but really seems nice and clean as I continue up to the front fender. Looks good there also. A couple little stone chips here across the front of this bumper. I'll try to point some of the bigger ones out, but there again, you're gonna get that. These vehicles are on the road, and a rogue stone or two is gonna make its way up to the painted areas. But the grille looks good. Front face of this hood really looks good, even though it didn't have a bug protector. So, and the hood, like I say, the top looks very nice also. So there you have it, guys. Really like new alternative. This vehicle's been very well kept. In very excellent condition. Like I say, it does still have the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, so you can buy this car with confidence. Now, if you're interested, give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.